we're seeing a lot of generational wealth being handed down from the parents to the children so they can get into the market. What kind of arrangements are you seeing that are commonplace? And what are some tips or some advice that you might have for people that are considering doing that?
Greg, there are a variety of different types of programs that can allow a parent or a grandparent to pull equity out of a property, whether or not they qualify based on their income, to purchase or to give to their kids. Passing money down now could make a lot of sense for a lot of reasons. One, you can see their kids get into the marketplace. Two, they could look at reverse mortgage type programs, which are often vilified, but only because people don't understand them, and other types of equity programs, which allow people to essentially take that cash that's dead equity, take that dead equity, and they can provide that to their grandkids or their kids early and actually watch them enjoy the opportunity to own a home and create wealth in this current environment. And most people make the mistake of walking into their bank and saying they want to do this and getting declined and thinking that's it. Simply not the fact. You can borrow up to 40, 50, 60, and 80% with different types of programs of your home value and provide that money to your kids without having to take out any extra income.